PVC. It's an amazing product. It's not just for pipes. You can build almost anything out of it. There is, however, a debate going on whether or not PVC is safe for the environment or safe for your body. But I've just got one thing to say about that. Don't eat it. Welcome to Allie Picked, where I'm going to show you 100 cool PVC projects that you can build. I'll start off by showing you some useful projects that I built over the years. Then I'll have a video montage with tons of other cool, useful, and even some weird PVC project ideas. Now those were 7 projects that I made, 93 to go. But for the next 10, I thought it would be worth a laugh to look at 10 really dumb and impractical PVC project ideas. I have way too many screwdrivers and knives to dedicate one PVC pipe for each. No. Just no. Nerd. I don't need a Rube Goldberg for oil. You'd have to pull them all out to find just the one you're looking for. Impractical. I'd rather use the screws in the box that they came in. Before I show you the next 83 PVC project ideas, please remember to subscribe to Allie Picked. If you're not sure how to do that, just click on my logo at the end of this video. Thanks for watching Allie Picked. And now for that hilarious outtake that I mentioned earlier. This has got to be one of the funniest bloopers I've ever seen. It involves my grandson Jackson, who was helping me build a project, and then right in the middle of filming, well, he had something else to do. However, they do pee constantly. They use it to communicate and to track their paths.
Let's pause, because after I use the bathroom.
Right in the middle of the video?
I have to.
What?
I have to take a dump.